Good morning, students. Today I will start a new chapters, new lesson. Lesson number 6, algorithm and flowchart. Clear? We have completed the lesson number 1, now new lessons. This algorithm and flowcharts, few idea you have because these chapters already you have learned in class 4. Now I will say and explain up these chapters few things, very important things. First part is the algorithms. I will say, okay, algorithm and flowcharts. These two things we can do in our daily life. Remember, these two things we do in our daily life. What is that? I will discuss afterwards. First of all, I want to say, you know that computer is an electronic device. Okay? If I asked you what is the functions of computer, everybody will say that is computer is an electronic device and it has set of instructions. It's called the programs. Means computer always follow the instructions, and a program is set of instructions. A program set is instructions given to the computer, and that computer is follow of that. Clear? Means I'm saying to one things. Computer, he doesn't know anything. Whatever the instruction has given, he followed up that. Okay, this is the instructions. If we not install any software, if we not install any application software as operating system, computer will not work. It is we say that is hardware parts became. It will not work. Okay, what is that software? That is the program. Software already, that set of program, it has given the instructions. Clear? That instructions we follow by two process. One is algorithm, another is flowcharts. Clear? One is algorithm and second is flowcharts. Now my dear, I am going to discuss the algorithm. What is algorithm? What is the functions of algorithm? These things. Just now I say in our daily life algorithms and flowcharts we follow. Okay. Now I am going to discuss the algorithm. What is that algorithm? Algorithm is a sequence of steps. Remember, algorithm is a sequence of a step followed by in our logical order. Followed by logical order means, I am saying one example. Suppose you want to make one building. You want to build one building. Okay. You will not say to the mason, you come and make one building. You will not say. You have some idea. Okay. You have some plan where you will make the bedroom, how much big you will make the bedroom, how many bedroom, how many drawing room, that is one bathroom, kitchens, everything. You have plan where you will make, okay, how many floors you will make. So everything you have plans. Simply you cannot say to the mason, come and build one building. Okay, this is the logical order. Means this is the steps you follow that. Okay, so this is the algorithm steps, and computer also follow up that. One by one steps, one by one instructions computer follow, and then output it will come. Processing device, they are follow that. Whatever user will give, processing device also follow, and after that output will come. I have shown to you the input output input, processing and output, that is called IPO cycle. Okay, one more example in your book also there. Suppose if I say to you, how do you make a cup of tea? Yeah, your book also it is there. Yes, a cup of tea you will make. Okay, how will do? First of all, you will not go to the any oven and you will say any pot, everything will give and it will come. No, you have the steps. What is the steps? First of all, you will arrange one pot. After that, you will arrange some sugar, milk, tea leaves. Okay, then you will boil up this thing. Then it will, whenever it will complete, then you will distribute your complete cup of tea. This is the algorithm steps. Okay. Second thing, if I asked you one question, what is the sum of two numbers? What is the sum of two numbers? Hi, you will say, sir, what a foolish questions you are asking us. Okay, no, it is foolish questions because there is no any common things. Any number I did not say. So how can I add up two numbers? So you want, I said the add up two numbers. Means, first of all, you want two numbers in first number and second number. Okay, if I say you, what is the sum of 5 and 3? Then easily you can say. But if I not say to what 5 and 3, you cannot add up two numbers. Okay, my dear. So, first of all, you want one number. After the second number, then you do add 5 and 3, you calculate. Then afterwards, you will say the answer. Okay. So, these are the logical steps. This is the sequence, the steps you will follow always. So, these are called the algorithm. Okay. Remember, I think you understood of this one. Now, it's coming to the what are the rule of the algorithm? What are the rule of the algorithm? So there are some guidelines algorithm. What? It always starts with the step. Okay, start and finish with stop. Next, give a line number to each instruction. And last, write each instructions in separate line. At last, the function of each statement needs to be very clear. Okay, my dear. So these are the guidelines. These are the rules for writing of flowcharts. Okay. So my dears, I hope today's class you understood. If you have any kind of doubt, you can contact with me. I have given my phone number. You can see my phone number and you can ring with me. Okay. So thank you.